Okay, now can you type Scrum values and why it is important? The next line. Scrum values and why it is important. Okay, can you read out?
Yeah, the five Scrum values are the foundation of the Scrum framework. They guide the behavior and mindset of the Scrum team,
Mm,
fostering an environment of collaboration, trust, and continuous improvement.
mm,
Here are the Scrum values and why it is important.
okay, yeah. First one.
Com- Commitment.
Mm,
Team members personally commit to achieving the goal of the Scrum team.
okay. What is the
Importance.
importance? Mm,
Encourage, encourages accountability and ownership.
mm,
Helps the team stay focused on delivering value and meeting sprint goals.
mm,
Builds trust among members and with stakeholders.
okay. Mm,
Courage, meaning the team has the courage to do the right thing,
okay,
tackle the tackle the problems and be concerned about challenges.
okay.
Importance, enables
Mm,
innovation and experimentation,
mm,
encourages open communication and transparency,
okay.
helps team face difficulties.
Mm,
Example, adapting to change or dealing with conflicts.
mm,
Constructivity.
mm. Next.
Focus. Next, focus. Everyone focus on the work of the sprint and the goals of the Scrum team.
Mm,
Prevent distractions and contest switching.
okay,
Ensures energy is directed toward the most valuable outcomes.
okay.
Improves productivity and the quality of deliverables.
Mm,
Openness.
mm,
The Scrum team and stakeholders agree to be open about the work and the challenges they face. Importance
okay.
builds transparency, which is essential for inspection and adoption.
Exactly.
Encourages
Mm,
collaboration and
mm,
shared understanding.
mm,
Creates a safe space for feedback and continuous improvement.
mm,
Respect.
mm,
Scrum team members respect each other to be capable, independent
mm.
people.
Okay,
Foster a positive, collaborative work culture.
okay.
Promotes healthy communication and constructive disagreements.
Mm,
Enable diversity of thought and inclusion.
mm,
Improving problems solving and
mm,
creativity.
mm. That's fine. Okay. To remember easily, we'll do one thing. Wait a minute. Um, what is on your screen? Can you open Notepad? Notepad, Notepad. Mm. Okay, fine. You can mention today date, Scrum values. Mm. Okay. Can you type force spelling FOR? What? How you are write in all capital letters?
Okay. Okay.
Force, force,
Force.
not.
Okay.
Mm. So in last E, remove E, remove E, C,
Force.
C, ARC. Okay. Add one C, C.
Okay.
Mm. So if somebody asks you Scrum values, this word you have to remember because it's
Okay.
very, very important to learn and you need to explain these things to your Scrum team as well as you have to answer anyhow in the interview, right? So F
Okay.
stands for focus. Can you type beside S, F? You just split it. F stands for focus. O stands for openness. R for respect. C for courage.
P for C or
Not fee. C na. CC.
C. Okay.
Courage
Hmm.
and commitment. Another C for commitment.
Okay.
You understood, right?
Yes.
Did you understand what you write?
Yes. Force meaning
Mm,
focus, openness,
mm, mm,
respect, courage, commitment.
exactly. So it's easy way to remember in that flow, so you won't miss anything.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
discuss about the focus. So
Okay.
right, as a Scrum Master, you need to deal with a lot of people. So the
Yes.
people should be adhere to adhere to the sprint goals. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever they are working on, they should be focused. They should not distracted. For example, we will be having some dependency and handshaking with the development team and testing team together. So what will happen now? So that kind of rapport should maintain.
Hmm.
If team is not focused, SDLC, right? So first
Hmm.
requirements gathering, analysis,
And
design, development and testing.
development
After
estimation.
after development, testing will be there, na? If team is not focused, development team will give their work to testing lately. Okay, it is the
Hmm.
most common problem that we could able to see it in the real time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, testing people they used to work and they do extra hard work. They used to spend nights over the nights. Some people, there are a lot of stuff will be going to happen at end of the
Hmm.
sprint.
Hmm.
So that will be going to miss if people are not focused.
Hmm.
So this focus in the sense it's completely for the team only. These all
Okay.
four, I
Yes.
mean five Scrum values the team should follow.
Yes.
So that is about the focus. Okay. And secondly, openness. Openness
Hmm.
means it is also very simple. Let me keep it simple. Openness in the sense, if
Hmm.
somebody asks you, uh, you ask for the details. When
Hmm.
will be this will be going to production? This kind of the questions you will asking. Okay, to the team.
Yes.
But
Hmm.
team is not opened. They said, yeah, everything will do. But end of
Okay.
the,
Yeah.
but end of the project or end of the day, it won't complete.
Hmm.
So means team is not, they are not saying openly.
Yes.
So that kind of issues also may happen. So we have to identify such kind of the
Mm.
things, and we need to teach our team. It's okay. It's okay to be open because we need to deliver
Mm.
the right product at the right time.
Yes. Mm.
Okay, so it's good to be, discuss the things openly. If something goes fails,
Yes.
that's okay. So see in the real time and the things now. So there are some hiccups will be there, right?
Mm.
When you work in any environment, there are definitely some up and downs will be there. So as a team, we have to work together and set up the things in the right way.
Mm.
So for that, openness is required, very much required. If team is
Yes.
not discussing openly, then we may fall into trouble.
Yes.
Hmm. So that is the one thing. Respect. So this is very, very important. Okay. As a Scrum Master, you have to teach your team this is
Mm.
regarding to respect. Because if
Yes.
team is not respecting one another, definitely there will be many
Mm.
problems will come.
Mm.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes. Some communication barriers will become.
Yes, exactly. So that's why respect is very much required. So you have to teach your team, whoever joins as a fresher, who is a senior member, it doesn't matter. They
Mm.
should be they should be respect each
Each
other.
other.
That's it. Single point agenda. Okay.
Mm.
Courage. Courage in the sense, even the requirements coming lately also, the team should ready to take up that challenge.
Mm.
Sometimes what will happen na, they will be going to, work in the late nights. Sometimes, there are some ad hoc request will come.
Mm.
All these kind of the things, you have to be prepare the things well.
Mm.
You have to teach your team saying that, so we should be ready. Whatever the things that comes to,
Mm.
in middle, or definitely there are some up and downs will be there in the project.
Obviously.
So we have to make our team to discuss these kind of the things openly, and at the same time, you need to tell to your team that ready, we have to ready to accept the challenge and move forward with the right direction. Okay, commitment is also kind of similar. We might get some late requirements, we might get some production issues. There are many things will going to happen, but as a team, you have to sit and work
Mm.
to align to the sprint goals.
Mm.
Okay, so that's the thing. So hope you are clear with this Scrum values.
Yes.
The next, can you type? Can you go back and type Scrum principles in the chat GPT? No, no, no. Chat GPT is already open. There. I can able to see. Okay, fine. Scrum principles and its importance. Okay.
Scrum
Okay.
principles and their
Mm.
importance.
Yeah, yeah. Go on. Yeah.
Scrum is agile framework used to
Mm.
manage and deliver complex projects,
Mm.
especially in software development.
Mm.
It emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and
Yeah.
interactive progress towards well-defined goals.
Mm.
Interactive. Core
Okay.
Scrum principles.
Mm.
Empirical process control
Mm.
based on transparency, inspection, and adoption.
Mm. Mm.
Teams make decision based on actual data and experience rather than
Mm.
assumptions.
Mm.
Example, reviving work at the end of each sprint to adopt
Mm.
plans accordingly.
Okay.
Self-organization.
Mm.
Scrum teams organize their own work without heavy management oversight.
Mm. Okay.
Encourages ownership,
Mm.
accountability, and creativity among uh,
Mm.
team members.
Okay.
Collaboration.
Mm.
Scrum promotes strong teamwork and communication. Shared
Mm.
goals, collective ownership, and mutual respect are central.
Mm.
The Scrum events, daily Scrum,
Mm.
sprint review, etc., foster collaboration.
Mm.
Value based prioritization.
Mm.
Work is prioritized based on business value.
Mm.
The product owner ensures that the most valuable features are delivered first.
Mm.
Time boxing.
Mm.
Activities in Scrum are limited to fixed duration.
Mm.
Example sprints are 2 to 4 weeks.
Okay.
Encourages focus, discipline, and timely delivery of value.
Mm.
Uh, Iterative development.
Mm.
Work is delivered in small, usual increments.
Mm.
Continuous feedback helps refine and improve the product over time.
Mm. Okay.
Importance of Scrum Principles.
Mm. Your voice is breaking.
And
Hello? No, no, no. Your voice is not audible. Can you please check your internet once?
adaptability. Allows team to quickly respond to changes in requirements or
No, actually, Madhurima, you are not audible.
hello.
Yeah, now can you speak something now?
Now I'm audible.
Yeah, now it's good. Yeah. Okay.
From my
Let's
side,
move.
it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, can you move to
Yeah,
the top? Can you
allows
move to the
team to
top?
quick.
So if somebody asks you the core principles, then you have to say top six. Okay. So what is the can you move on your palm? Yeah, we need to discuss this. Okay. So what is the empirical process? So what did you understand this? So it's very simple. Okay. Empirical process is nothing but the things that we have to learn from our mistakes. Okay. So whatever the things that we have taken for our sprints, okay, definitely there are some improvements will be there. Like we could not able to deliver the things on time due to some third party issues. Okay, these kind of the things will happen.
Hmm.
So we have to write it down in somewhere and we have to keep working on those improvement things. Okay. So
Hmm.
this is what very, very important in the empirical process. And second one is
Hmm.
self-organization. Okay. So it is also very simple. Your role is the team should be habituated with these scrum things. Okay. Like
Hmm.
without any, follow-ups. especially follow-ups. Okay, they should join your stand-up
Mm.
on time without a minute delay. Okay, everyone should join stand-up by 10.
Mm.
For example, if it is 10 a.m., for 10 a.m. they should join. Okay,
Mm.
they have to log their works. Whenever they have done something, they need to make a comment. So you
Mm.
can see the options like encourage the ownership, accountability. Are you able to see that point?
Mm.
So that is what they are mentioning. Okay, and third is collaboration. So of
Collaboration.
course, without teamwork, we can't do anything. Okay, all
Mm.
developers, testers should get, they should work together and they have to deliver the valuable product to the end user.
End users.
Okay, because without development, testing won't be there. Without the
Yeah.
testing, there won't be the life.
Mm.
Okay, each and everyone has their unique role. They have to perform
Yes.
all together. It's just like a ritual. Okay, everyone should participate actively.
Yes.
Hmm. So fourth one is value-based
Yes.
prioritization.
Prioritization.
Of course, whatever the business value will give the highest, value.
Mm. Well, yes.
So that we have to work. So product owner will tell, okay, what we have to pick first, what we have to do the next.
Okay. Ah.
Time boxing, as you know already. So for each and everything, we have the time boxing. Sprint duration is 2 weeks.
Yeah. 2 weeks.
Okay. Daily stand-up is 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay. Regular meetings would be like a sprint planning, grooming. These kind of things will be, you know, 1 hour, something like that.
Mm.
So accordingly, we will give the estimations.
Mm.
So are you clear on that? Time boxing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So iterative development means we are working for the sprints. Like
Mm.
after 2 weeks of duration, you have to rework again your from the backlog grooming, right? You need to
Mm.
start your development team. You have to sit with your development team. So you need to keep on ask what is the status and all. You need to ask your QA team to work on some use cases. So whenever they
Mm.
are doing development team is doing some development, testing team supposed to write the test cases.
Mm.
So these kind of the things they have to work. So we have to keep an eye actually because definitely there is a chance people may take in the lighter mode sometimes.
Mm.
Okay, so that is what the iterative development, and you can see whatever we are going to deliver, it should be small in the sense 2 weeks of duration. Okay, so whatever the mistakes may happen, it's always there is a chance for improvement, right?
Mm.
Definitely, definitely, every sprint we learn something, the new thing. Okay, that we have to track it, and we can keep it in the retrospection, and we can ask our team to follow that retrospection action points. Okay, this is the reason behind the Scrum values and principles that will be going to be helpful for our entire Scrum team. Did you get my point? Hello? 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 Hey, Madhurima, I can't hear you. So that's for today. Okay. You can just check it out and then we can get back to me if you have any questions. I am unable to hear you anything. Bye.